Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of BlueStack on your Windows PC. This works either you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now the first thing we have to do is head to our Chrome browser. Now let's search for BlueStack. And you can see the first link heading to bluestacks.com. Click on it. Now we have two options over here. We can either download BlueStack 10 or BlueStack 5. Now what's the difference? BlueStack 5 is a free Android app player from BlueStack that lets you play mobile games locally on your PC. While BlueStack 10 is a cloud-based free Android gaming platform that lets you play Android games on the cloud without downloading the game. So you can go with whichever you prefer. In this case, I'm gonna download BlueStack 10. So I will just click on download BlueStack 10 and it should download the installer. Okay, downloaded successfully. Now we can close our browser and then open our download folder. So here we go. Here is our BlueStack installer. Now let's double click on it to install. Install now. Now this should take a while. It should download everything it needs to run BlueStack 10. The same process if you're running BlueStack 5. But either ways, we just have to wait. Now it is downloading the main Android emulator. This should take a while depending on your internet connection. And that's all basically. Now we can start using BlueStack right from here. So to start our BlueStack player, we can click on our app player right here and it should open up. Now we can open Google Play Store, install whatever we want. This is Chrome browser and every other thing. So basically this is how to install the latest version of BlueStack, either BlueStack 10 or BlueStack 5 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.